There are only two ways to make a living: work for the money or make your money or someone else's earn for you by way of a simple business or MSME. Today, the president kicked off yet another government program to help the jobless find work or set up a means to make a living. In this report. Selling vegetables is the main source of income of Imelda, but as her needs continue to grow, she wants to start a new business.
Gusto kong magkaroon sana kahit yung karinderya o kaya maliit na kainan para yung mga, if ever yung mga gulay ko, di yun masasayang.
People like Imelda are the target beneficiaries of the new Trabajo at Negosyo program of Go Negosyo, launched with the support of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The president pointed out that micro, small, and medium enterprises must be strengthened as they serve as the primary foundation of the country's economy. He also acknowledged that starting a business is not easy and said that this is what the program seeks to address.
Maraming MSME ang nahaharap sa iba't ibang hamon, kakulangan ng puhunan, limitadong access sa mamimili, access to market, mabilis na pagbabago ng ekonomiya at ng teknolohiya. May learning session kasama ang industry expert at thought leaders at magbabahagi ng kanilang kaalaman at karanasan sa larangan ng pagnenegosyo.
But apart from the support from the private sector, the president said the government will continue its efforts to assist those who want to start a business.
Para naman sa ating mga MSME, ginawa nating mas simple at mas mabilis ang serbisyo ng gobyerno. Sinisikap din natin na palawakin ang access sa puhunan at patibayin ang mga programang tumutulong sa paglago ng kabuhayan. Sa pamamagitan ng mga negosyo center, mas napapalapit ang mga serbisyo ng pamahalaan sa mga negosyante. Dito, maaari kayong mabigyan ng payo, magkaroon ng mentorship, at makakuha ng tulong upang mapalapit ang inyong mga negosyo sa mamimili.
Aside from mentoring for those who want to start a business, the Trabajo at Negosyo program also features job fairs for those seeking employment. Along with this, the president assured that employment opportunities in the country will continue to be strengthened and expanded.
Makakaasa po kayo na patuloy ang administrasyon na ito sa pagpapaunlad ng kasanayan ng ating mga kababayan. Ang pagpapalakas ng mga programang makakatulong sa bawat Pilipino na makahanap ng trabaho. Sa pamamagitan ng mas pinalakas na employment program, kabilang na ang skills training at business mentoring, mas napapalapit natin ang trabaho at pagkakataon sa ating mga mamamayan.
Mahirap po kasi siya kasi magastos lalo na po sa pamasahe. Tapos syempre hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin ka ba o hindi. Parang ang hirap na, mas maganda po talaga yung ganito na nasa isang lugar lang po siya.
The chief executive also highlighted that in just the early part of the year, 47 job fairs have already been conducted, with around 2,400 applicants hired on the spot. Last year, he said around 74,000 people found jobs through more than 2,300 job fairs organized by the government. This is Sharm Zespina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.